Good morning, children. How are you? Fine. I'm Radha, your science teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, are you ready with your books? Please bring your studio, notebook, pencil, eraser, and sharpener. Okay, children. Already we have completed that lesson number 1, isn't it? Food, our fuel. Its written part is only left over. In the last class, we have discussed blanks, isn't it? We have stopped there. Now I will continue that remaining part. Please bring your studio books, children. Please don't go anywhere. Stay at home only. When you are going out, use the mask, and while you are having the food, please wash your hands. Whenever you are having anything, please wash your hands. Keep your house clean. Okay, children, help to your parents and take your parents' help while you are studying. Okay, children? Okay, bring your books, children, everyone. Okay, now see page number 34, everyone. Once I will revise that blanks, children. Here page number 34. Then I will continue that remaining part. Okay, children? Okay. Now here one thing. See here, children. First one, question time. See here, question time. Here blanks we have already completed, isn't it? Now we are there in that. Next one, choose that correct answer. We are there here, isn't it? Now I want to repeat that blanks. Then we can continue the remaining part. First I will read that answer. See here. Fill in the blanks. Dash or the nutrients that gives our body energy to perform daily activities. To perform the daily activities, we need that some nutrients. Can you tell me that name? Very good. Carbohydrates, isn't it? Carbohydrates are energy giving food, isn't it? And they helps us to do that. They helps us to do the perform the daily activities. Means when you are taking the carbohydrates, you will get the energy and you are doing the performing daily activities. So what are the daily activities, children? Is it playing, bringing water? What is that? Playing, reading, writing, each and everything. For your mother, she has to cook the food, she has to wash the clothes, clean the house. Isn't it? To do the daily activities, we need the carbohydrates to get the energy. Isn't it? And the next one, see here, second one. Dash and dash are the nutrients that protects our body from the illness. In the classes, when I am teaching the classes, already we discussed about this, isn't it? Where the food is divided into different components. In that, carbohydrates is energy giving food. Fats are the energy storers and they are very helpful for us if you are taking in a small quantity. Proteins, they are the body building, isn't it? These are next one, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the most important for our body because they will fight against the diseases. They will fight against the diseases. So you have to write vitamins and minerals here, children. Vitamins and minerals. First one is carbohydrates. You have to write it here, and here you have to write the vitamins and minerals. And they are the nutrients that protects the body from the illness. They will protect the body from the illness. Okay, children. And the next one, dash are known as body building materials. Now only we have discussed dash or the body building materials. So, which component we can call as a body building materials? Very good. Proteins, isn't it? Okay, you have to write proteins. Third one is proteins, children. Third one is proteins. Here page number 34, studio. This is the studio, children. Okay. And the next one, see that dash is an important dietary component that helps to move that food we eat through the digestive system and eliminate the waste. Is it? Samuel's, did you remember that Samuel lesson? Isn't it? He is not taking that good, most important component. What is that? Fiber. Why we should has to take the fiber, children? Because it helps us to, helps to move that food we eat in the digestive system, through the digestive system and eliminate the waste. Eliminate the waste means which is left over, it is not required for our body. That wastage will be removed by this fiber. It will help to remove that. Remove means eliminate the waste. Okay, children, fiber you have to write it here. Fourth one, fiber. Fourth one, fiber. And the next one is fifth one, storing food in a dash place helps to prevent the germs from the growing on it. The food should not be spoiled means where your mother will store it is mostly curries or something she will keep. Vegetables, where she will keep? Very good, in the refrigerator. Why? Because the germs will not grow in the cool place more. Actually in the hot condition the germs will grow very faster. Germs చాలా తొందరగా పెరిగిపోతాయి మా హాట్ క్లైమేట్ లో. అదే కూల్ క్లైమేట్ లో అయితే germs చాలా తక్కువ, అంటే కంపేర్ టు ద హాట్. అందుకనేసి ఏం చేస్తాం, ఎక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తాం, we will store in the refrigerator, which store in the refrigerator. Fifth one you have to write refrigerator, or in the last class we have discussed all these 5 blanks, isn't it? Now see for the second one, choose the correct answers. They have given 5 questions for us. They have given options for us also. We have to choose the correct answer from this and you have to write that there itself. They have given a blank here, children. You can observe here. They have given a blank here. You can observe and you can write it here. Okay, children? See here. Dash helps us to see better and it is present in carrots. Actually, they have given vitamins here. Means they are telling about the vitamins. Which vitamin helps us to see better and it is present in the carrot. It is telling that vitamins help us to see and that vitamin is present in the carrot. I think which one? A is the vitamin A, B vitamin C, D vitamin D, sorry vitamin C, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. They have given a 4 options, that is the vitamins A, C, D, K. Which vitamin is helpful for us to see better and it is present in the carrot? Very good. Vitamin A. Vitamin A. Lesson number 1. Now we are there in that. Now we are there here. Food our fuel. What is the answer? Sorry, what is the our lesson name? Food our fuel. Food our fuel. Okay, children. See here. Next one. Here you have to write the answer. I will write the page number here. Page number 34. In studio you have to write it here. Okay, children. This is the studio. And the first one you have to choose the answer. That is vitamin A. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, children. Okay. This is the first answer. You have to write in that. Okay. Next one. See here. Second one. Second one, children. Here you have to see here. Second one. Second one. Okay. Here second one. See, dash keeps our blood healthy. Dash keeps our blood healthy and is present in the red beans and meat. Which actually they have given here vitamins and minerals also. Which one helps keeps our blood healthy? Blood healthy and is present in the red beans and meat. Red beans and meat, both they will have this. Which one will keep that? Actually we have discussed in that vitamins and minerals, isn't it? Which one is related? It is vitamin or mineral? Very good. It is related to mineral. Which mineral? We have discussed 2 minerals in that. Iron and calcium, isn't it? About calcium or iron? Very good. Iron is that iron keeps our blood healthy and it is present in red beans and meat. It is present in red beans and meat. So you have to write it here. Iron. Actually here calcium makes our bones strong, isn't it? Here mostly the iron. Iron helps us to keep our blood healthy and not only that, it is present in that red beans and meat. Red beans and meat. Okay, children, did you understand here? Please turn the page. Page number 34. Here now we came to 35. Okay. Okay, did you understand, children? Here written part I am doing here. See here third one. Dash. They have given here. You have to write iron here second one. And now turn the page. You have to see here 35, page number 35, children, everyone. See here, dash helps our wounds heal and it is present in a green leafy vegetables. Actually, here some vitamins are helpful for us to heal the wounds. When you fall down, what will happen is that you will get a wound or not. But after few days, what happened? It was repaired. How? Because of some vitamins. They are asking which vitamin is helpful for our wounds heal and it is present in the, actually they have given a clue for us. Actually they have given a clue. What is the clue? There it is present in the green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Here they have given options: vitamin B, calcium, vitamin K, vitamin D. Actually vitamin D means it mostly helpful. We can obtain from the sunlight, isn't it? And it helps us to keep that bone strong. And next vitamin calcium, it is also keeps bone strong. And vitamin B, it helps us to grow and mostly development of brain it helps, isn't it? So which one is left over here? Vitamin K. Vitamin K helps our wound healing. Vitamin K. Vitamin K. You have to write here vitamin K, children. Vitamin K. Vitamin K. Children, here you have to write vitamin K helps our wounds heal and is present in green leafy vegetables. Third one, vitamin K. Vitamin K helps our wounds heal and present in green leafy vegetables. This vitamin K is mostly present in green leafy vegetables. Not only vitamin K, we can see for that one more is also there. Actually, vitamin C, I think vitamin C, not vitamin C here. Vitamin K you can find here. See here, vitamin K helps us to heal the wounds and have a healthy heart and bones. Mostly vitamin K helps us to heal the wounds. Not only that, here vitamin C also, it fight against the diseases and heals the wounds, but in the options they have given only vitamin K. So that's why we have written here vitamin K, children. Okay, and the next one, fourth one, see fourth one, children, here. Dash is an important nutrient in our diet that helps our body absorb the vitamins. In that dash is this, here they have given options for us, and this component, this nutrient is very good for our body and it helps us to keep absorb the other nutrients. Means we are having the components, means carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are absorbed by this component. What is that component? See the options, everyone. Carbohydrates, it is an energy giving, mostly it will give energy only. Proteins, actually it is also helpful for body building, whereas the minerals already absorb this material, minerals, we can vitamins and minerals are absorbed by this content. Which one is left over here? Fats. Here the fats are very helpful for us. It helps us to keep our skin glow. Helps us to keep our skin glow and it helps us to grow. Okay, if you are taking in a limited quantity, it is very good for our health. Okay, children, if you are taking a more content, means it will get you health problem. Okay, you have to take it in limited quantity. Not only that, it helps us to absorb the other vitamins also. So you have to write here fats. You have to write here fats. Okay, children. And the next one, fifth one, see here. You have to write it here, children. Dash is a condition. Fats you have to write. Fourth one, fats here you have to write, children. Next one, D. Dash is a condition where our body does not have enough water to function. Actually, when we are not getting enough water, then the body can't work. Can you tell me what is that condition? Already we have discussed in one part, that is page number 30. You can see here. Deer overturned by the sun. Here, the girl is she runs very well, but she has won that gold medal. Congrats on winning the medals also she has won. But what happened? Suddenly when he exercised too much while not drinking enough water, this condition, so she has lost her medal because of that she has not drank the water. She didn't drink the water enough water properly. That's why what happened? She became sick. So she didn't participate in the sports day. If she has taken enough water, what happened? Then she can do well or not. Means if you are not taking that enough water, that process with that condition we can call as a dehydration. That condition we can call as a dehydration. So you have to write here dehydration, children. See here, dehydration. Here they have given diarrhea. Diarrhea means vomitings. Sorry, motions and vomitings. Both we will have. Constipation means we can't pass the stools. That is a digestion, means the food is digested. Dehydration means it is a condition that when our body can't work because not getting enough water. So that condition we can call as a dehydration. Write it, children, everyone. Dehydration. Dehydration. Okay, children, everyone please note these answers in your book. Dehydration. If you completed this, then I can write that true or false. Now we are asking about true or false, children. True or false. See here. Here I will write This is the third Roman. In that line on in this page only. True or false? True or false? Okay. Now I will ask the questions, children. You have to tell the answers for this. Okay. Proteins. Here proteins are only present in food from the animal sources. We are obtaining the proteins from only animals only. We are not getting the proteins from the plants. Then it is a true or false? We are obtaining the proteins from animals only, they are telling. Is it true or false? Very good. It is false, isn't it? Now I will explain for you that, see, proteins are divided into two types or not. Is it protein P, protein A? Means the proteins which we are obtaining from the plants, we can call it as a protein P. Proteins which are obtained from the animals, we can call it as a protein A. Means we are getting the proteins from plants and animals. Here they have tell us they are asking that we are obtaining that we are getting the proteins from only animals. Then the statement is false. That's the statement is false. So you have to write here false. Okay, children. And the next one, carbohydrates and fats gives our body energy, isn't it? Carbohydrates are energy giving food, isn't it? And fats are also, now only we told that they are energy store, isn't it? They will give the energy when we are not having the food. Means so we can call as a fat as an energy store. So here the statement is correct. Means it is true. Carbohydrates and fats give our body energy. They will give the energy or not? Very good. So you have to write here true. You have to write it here true. Okay, children, did you understand here? Okay, and the next one, see here, our skin, you have to write here true, children. Second one, true. And the third one, our skin makes vitamin D in sunlight. Isn't it? We are getting that vitamin D by having some food material, but naturally we will get the vitamin D from the sunlight. Very good. It is correct only. Isn't it? Our skin makes. Is it? Our skin is having that capacity. Actually, fat helps us. How it helps us to absorb the vitamins. Now only we have discussed, isn't it? Fat is an important nutrient in our diet because it helps us to absorb the vitamins. The vitamin D which is present in that means the sun produces the heat. Is it? Then the fat which is present in our body helps us to turn the sunlight and it absorbed by the skin and it makes into the vitamin D. Vitamin D means our skin is having that, makes vitamin D from the sunlight also. We need not to have anything for the vitamin D. If you are taking, very good. If not also, if you are sitting in the sunlight in the morning from 6 to 8, in between 15 minutes you have to sit. Then the skin can make the sunlight, by using the sunlight it can produce the vitamin D. Okay, children, did you understand? Means our skin makes the vitamin D in sunlight. So you can write here true. You can write here true. This statement is correct only, children. Okay. Okay, next one. Fourth one, children. Fourth one. See that you have to write true here for third one. True, you have to write it here. Next one, 4. Fruits and vegetables do not contain water. Is it true, children? If you eat the mango, can you see some liquid substance in the mango or not? Is it? If you are eating an orange, you will see that some of water will be there, and next to fruits. Sorry, in the orange, you can see some water content, isn't it? Not only that, in vegetables also there is no water, they are telling. When you open the tomato, cut the tomato, can you see a liquid substance or not? Means fruits and vegetables are contain the water or not. So that statement is false. Statement is false. So you have to write it here false. Here the fruits and vegetables are also contain the water. Okay, you have to write it. Next one, last one, fifth one. Fifth one, children. Here, seeds, nuts and oils are good source of vitamin E. Is it? Seeds, whereas the seeds, nuts, oils are good source of vitamin E. Means these seeds and nuts and next oils are having vitamin E more. So this is the good source. These are the good sources for vitamin A. Is it true or not? Is it true only? Is it vitamin A? If you want vitamin A means you need to have the seeds. Some seeds you can have, nuts like cashew nuts, almonds you can have, oils, olive oil, next coconut oil, and this also we are having vitamin E. Okay children, so this statement is true. This statement is true. Okay, please write down these answers children. Write down everyone. Okay. Okay. Share up children. Okay. Now see that, turn the page number 36 everyone children. Page number 36. Please write the answers in your notebook. In that they have given Roman number 4, Roman number 5. Those answers you have to write down in your notebook. It is better to write. These are the blanks now. The place will be sufficient. Whereas for the question and answers, the place won't be sufficient. So you have to write in that notes. Okay children. Here Roman number 4. Roman number 4. I will write the answers here children. You have to write it. Okay. First question, Roman number 4. Here question and answers. First question, I will write the question. Then you can copy it easily. Why is water an important? Why is water an important part of our diet? Diet means what the food you are taking daily, that we can call as a diet, isn't it? The food we can call as a diet. Here they have asked a question that why it is important, why should we need to take a water, why the water is became an important part in our diet. Can you tell me the answer children? Is it actually water helps us for the digestion, isn't it? First thing is it helps us to have that, means digestion. If you are having the water, then the digestion process will be perfect, and this water helps us to keep our eyes moisture, isn't it? And next it also keeps us fresh. It will keep our mind fresh children, isn't it? And next one, it helps us to absorb the nutrients. It also helps us to absorb the nutrients. And next one here, it helps us to keep the kidneys healthy. If you are not taking the water properly, definitely you will get that kidney problems like kidney stones. So you should have to have the water minimum 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Okay children, did you understand? Here not only that, and make the bones and muscles also work well. If it is work well, tell me once here. Not only that, and it helps us to keep the skin healthy and keep the eyes moisture. Whenever you are seeing in the eye, some liquid like substance will be there, isn't it? Because of the water only it is there. If you are not having it, if you are not taking that water properly, what will happen? You will get some, means కళ్ళు మండుతాయి చూడండి, then వేడి చేసింది కొంచెం వాటర్ ఎక్కువ తాగండి అంటారు. Means your eyes are not getting enough water to keep that eyes moisture, isn't it? So write the answers children, everyone. See here, write the answers. Water. Now I will write the answers. Please write these answers in your notebook. Place is not sufficient. Is an important part of our diet. I will write in the point wise. You can write it children. First one, water refresh us, isn't it? When you feel some tired, if you drink some water, then you can feel that fresh. Okay children. The next point, improves digestion. If you are having the food properly, also you should need to drink the water. Then only it will digest properly, and then your body will get the nutrients. Means not only that, it helps us to absorb the nutrients also. This water helps us to absorb the Nutrients. Observe the nutrients, children. Okay. And the next one, it helps us to keep our kidneys healthy. Keeps our kidneys healthy. If you are not drinking the water properly, means quantity, sufficient quantity, definitely you will get that kidney problems. Means you will feel some problems with kidney, like kidney stones. Okay, children. And there are some more points. I will write it here. Continue. You can write it here, children. And not only that, it makes that bones and muscles to work well. It helps us to keep the bones and muscles work well. Okay. While writing, please read the spellings well. Okay, children. It will be helpful for you. The last point, keeps our skin keeps skin healthy, and not only that, eyes moist. When you are seeing your eyes, you can see water content in your eyes, isn't it? Can you see or not? You can observe it, isn't it? Okay, please write the answers in your notebook, children. Is it? Again, I want to read the answer. Children. Again, see here. Why is the water an important part of our diet? Why the water is became important part? Isn't it? You should need to take the water. Why? Water is an important part of our diet. Because, see here, because water refreshes us. Is it? It will keeps our mind fresh. And next one, improves our digestion. If you are not taking the water, you will get the digestion problems. Absorb the nutrients. This water helps us to absorb the nutrients from where you are taking the food. Along with the food, if you are taking the water, then the food helps us to digest it properly. By that, the water will useful to absorb the nutrients also. Okay. Not only that, if you are not taking the water, you will get the kidney problems. So it will helps us to keep our kidneys healthy. And makes the bones and muscles work well. It helps us to work the bones and muscles work well and keep skin healthy and eye moisture. Okay, children, please note down these answers in your notebook. Everyone. Okay. Okay. Now I want to give that homework for you, children. Homework. Read and write page number 34 and 35 from studio. Okay, children, from studio in your notebook. NB means notebook. You have to write 2 times. Children, you have to write page number 34, 35. Page number 34 and 35, you have to write the answers, children. And you have to write in 2 times in your notebook. That is your homework. You have to write, again I am telling, see here. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answers. And next one, true or false. Is it no need not to write 2 times? You can write 1 time, children. Is it is more now? So you have to write 1 time. See here, this page you have to write 1 time. Page number 34, studio from studio 35. These 2 pages you have to write 2 times. Okay. Sorry, 2 times not, 1 time in your notebook. That is your homework. In the next questions we are having still some more questions. I will complete in the next class, children. Okay. Read well, stay at home. Okay, children. Thank you.